with an aromatase inhibitor is for adults with HR-positive, HER2-negative MBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Slow disease can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, loss, and loss of appetite, heart failure, carpal tunnel syndrome, shortness of breath, stomach issues, lower back pain. How does it all add up? If you have heart failure and any of those seemingly unrelated symptoms sound familiar, it's time to talk with your cardiologist and get the full picture. They may add up to transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy. ATTR-CM is a rare and underdiagnosed disease. Recognize the signs and discuss them with your doctor soon. Learn more at connectwithyourheart.com. That's connectwithyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
We need to get you over to your Honda dealer's traffic center. We're checking in with Kim because there's a backup on 880 in Oakland.
We return to the grind that is your southbound 80 ride through downtown Oakland, and this is due to a crash involving an overturned car as you get close to the Coliseum just before 66th Avenue, and the two left lanes are still blocked. I can see the tilted automatic collision cam bumper to bumper from before 980. No new incidents on 580, not much better, but slow and go, and all the lanes are open there. A new problem farther south on 880 in Fremont. This is a new crash just before Dakota Road. The cars did make it over to the right-hand shoulder. We haven't spent much time on the Sunol grade, but here we go. Your ride out of Fremont on northbound 680 is backing up. It's already pretty slow, but we do have a new crash just past Sheridan Road. Fortunately, the cars are on the right-hand shoulder. Your next update, 508 on the traffic leader, TCDS.
And we are looking at the Doppler radar screen, and it looks as though the shower activity that we saw was few and far between around the Bay Area today, but it's fairly dry right now. We are seeing snow in the Sierra, though, but a lower than 20% chance of rain will be with us all the way to the weekend. Traffic and weather together on KCBS. Coming up, I'm Michael Wald outside the Hall of Justice in San Francisco by the attorneys for the accused killer of a San Francisco tech entrepreneur that he can't get a fair trial.
I'm Raquel Maria Dillon on Piedmont Ave in Oakland. What the city and the police department are doing to keep holiday shoppers safe.
And as more hostages are released by Hamas, there is hope that the ceasefire will be extended once more. Good evening. Batty Rising is off today. I'm Brett Burkhardt.
When you need to know, KCBS AM,
In Roseville. Very
KFIC
cool.
and HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, and Odyssey Station.
5 o'clock. This is CBS News.